Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Szewc here, and Annie, you can see her in the background, and I are here to talk to you about measurement. So before you learn about measurement, there is another important word that you need to know for math, and it's called estimate. An estimate is a guess. So for example, if I wanted to take a guess at how long this fork was, okay, I need something to measure it by. I can't just say, oh, I guess this fork is 7. Now, you've been to the doctor's before or even at school, and we've talked about maybe how tall you are. Maybe you've heard that you're 48 inches tall. Inches is the measurement that we use in the United States. We measure inches with rulers, okay? So this is called a yardstick. There's 36 inches on it. Okay. I also have a couple of different rulers that I found in my house. Okay, this was my son's when he was in 3rd grade. And a standard ruler has 12 inches. And then I found these other little ones that are perfect if you're measuring smaller things. And then also, I found this, and it's called a tape measure. Okay, when you pull it out, it measures for you. But for 1st grade math, we're going to make an estimate, and what we're going to estimate or make our guess and our measurement with are these. You might remember these from Winchester. They are called Unifix cubes. So I grabbed some. I was able to go to Winchester and get some the day I handed out things to you. I know that you might not have been able to do that. So I thought about it, and I thought, what could some of the boys and girls have at home that they might be able to measure with? So one of the most popular things that I bet you have at home are Legos. Okay, so you might want to try to find this one. It looks kind of like a square with 4 knobs on it. Okay, do you see how when I put it by that Unifix cube, it's about the same size? And then I also found this one. This one's a newer one to me, but it's also about the same size of that Unifix cube. And if you couldn't find Legos, maybe you don't have them, you could use a paper clip. So let's go back to that fork again. So when I look at the fork, if I'm thinking I want to measure this fork, I'm going to put the Unifix cube or my Lego right there at the very edge, and I'm going to make an estimate, a guess. So for right now, I'm going to guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to guess this fork is 6 cubes long or 6 Legos long, okay? Then I would be able to measure it. 1, and you might want to ask mom or dad to put their finger there for you so then you can move the other one along. So when I actually measure it, I would get, now remember I have the Unifix cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That fork was 9 cubes long. That's okay. My estimate was 6. That was all right if my estimate was wrong. So, for today's lesson, there are some things that are going to be on your computer screen. You might want to print out that sheet, make your estimate first, and then measure. Legos, paper clips, penny, goldfish cracker, all of those things you can use to measure with. Okay, bye for now.